What's going on today, my fellow YouTubers? It's Ashanti here, aka the Crispy K, coming at you with an unboxing today. We have a pressure washer, an electric pressure washer of 1700 psi, as you can tell by the title. So this wasn't an expensive purchase. It only ran me about, let's see here, only ran me about $59.57. I'll show you here. It was on sale. It's usually $120, but as you can see right there, it's $59.57. Paid $60, got 43 cents back. But without further ado, let's go on and get you turned around and into the unboxing. Alright, well, here we are. It is the Karcher, I guess you can say. Let me give you a look-see of the side here. And it says 1700 psi, 1.2 GPM, premium electric pressure washer. You get a turbo nozzle, maximum cleaning power for stubborn areas, compact design for easier transport, onboard detergent tank for deeper cleaning, and a convenient on and off foot switch. So let's go ahead and set you back up here. Get you tilted down so you can see. Go ahead and start opening it up for you. Got you set up on my desk here. Hopefully I don't get too much in the way, but do what I can for you. I'm gonna do what I can for you. Alright. And once you get it opened up, it says stop. Do not return to store. Well, that's reassuring. Start off, you get your manual. No one ever reads those. You get a warranty card. You got a box here. Where's my knife? There's my knife. Open up this box here. You get the nozzle. Take this out the bag here. So you get a pretty nice nozzle. Well, not nozzle, but hose. What else comes in here? You get the gun or the handle, whatever you want to call it. So you get that. Nothing else in the box. This will be the last piece of the box, which is your wand. Oh, that's your wand there. I believe this is connection here, like so. And now you're in business. That's all that's in that box. Then you get this cover here. And here's your unit. It's actually really, really light. It wasn't heavy at all. You know. So you got your soap here, it says no bleach. Nice little handle here with a warning on it. It actually feels pretty solid, well made. Got your cord here, nice long cord. Back here you got some more stuff. You got your nozzles and your attachments and whatnot. I'll show you more of those later. But you know, you come to this side, you have warning labels and stuff. On the back it says quick start guide, shows you how to get started. From this side you have your in and then you have your out. So it's pretty neat. Got your on off, but that's all that's in the box. We open up this bag here. We have, let's see here. We have this nozzle here. We also have this nozzle here for soap. Then we have this nozzle here, and then your adapter piece for your hose. So let's go ahead and get this plugged up outside and test it out and show you what it's worth. Alright, so here we have it all hooked up and ran, and everything's hooked in. Here's your wand, the nozzle. It is a very quiet machine. There's no noise at all as of right now. There's actually not that much pressure coming out, but I'll get you set up so you can see like in my Tahoe and just see if I can spray some of the dirt out or anything and let you know about that then. So here I have you in the wheel well. I'm not going to spray anything, just water. I do have some purple power, but I'm not going to soak it with that yet. Just see what this does. So, alright, so for the amount of power it's putting out, not really putting out much. You know what I mean? It did clean off the wheel well, as you can see and tell. I'm pretty sure if I stayed on to put the power, I'd clean off the a lot more. But that's the unboxing and test of the pressure washer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Okay guys, so get this. I am a total idiot. Earlier in the video, I had showed the pressure washer washing the wheel well. It wasn't really putting out that much pressure, you know. They kept saying in the manual, oh, it'll kick on when you squeeze the trigger. So I thought it was kicked on. Alright, so I was getting pissed off. And I was going to return it, you know. It was pretty decent, you know. But I was going to return it because it wasn't putting out no power. Come to find out, I just went out and tested it again while it was dark. I forgot to turn it on. So now I'm about to throw in a video of, well, not tonight, but tomorrow when I wake up, I'll come back at you again, which will be in a few minutes for y'all, but I'll come back at you again and show you it actually working with that. It actually turned on. So that's on me. But it's a wonderful little pressure washer. I love it. For only $59. Can't beat it.